wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with a very exciting different sort of a video. Basically Valentine Day is right on the corner and I wanted to create something very different, a unique style of looks which I have picked up red color outfits which you're gonna see. It actually kind of a mix of Indo-Western, so I'm going to talk about more in detail. So I have picked up the ethnic kurtis and I have created different sort of looks for you all, and if you want to know what's in today's video, then please keep on watching. So the first kurti which I have is this beautiful maroon kurti and it has this gota patti work on the sleeves. I absolutely love it, and the pricing I will have it on the screen for your reference. You can check it and the links will be in the description box. This is how it looks. I actually paired this kurti with a beige color skirt and it looks so stunning, guys. I absolutely love it. You can style this kurti with kundan jewelry, necklace, and you're good to go, guys. Moving on, I picked up one cotton kurti. This is a beautiful simple cotton kurti to wear at home and it is purely cotton, guys. This is how it looks. It's a short kurti. You can style it with jeans and you can even wear it with skirt. Moving on, the next piece which I have is this beautiful kurti which I'm wearing it right now. I absolutely love this piece and it is a beautiful kaftan with bani print and it has got this lace work all over. I absolutely love. Last but not least, guys, I have this beautiful wine shade kurti. Again, the sleeves are to die for. These are ruffle sleeves, guys. I absolutely love this because these are so much in trend and you have this complete border work going on. I actually like this one most, but I do have a showstopper for you all. You can style this kurti with any simple legging and some oxidized jewelry or some junk jewelry. This will be a standout piece, guys, because it is so beautiful. That's what I have done it here. And the last piece, which is your showstopper, I absolutely love this piece, guys. This is also from the same brand H&N and I got this gorgeous gota patti kurti. Oh my god, can you just see the detailing on the sleeves and everything? It is so gorgeous. It's a pure cotton kurti which has this anarkali fit. You can wear it with legging or you can even wear it just like that, like how I am showing you here. This is one of my favorite. You can style this kurti with clutch or some heavy junk jewelry and beautiful stilettos will do, guys. Absolutely standout piece. It is like my favorite showstopper. So these are the kurtis which I picked up, guys. I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite piece in this entire video. My favorite has to be this one. This is my favorite, guys. I kind of liked all of them, and also let me know how do you like my styling. I'm gonna tell you how you can download this Bulbul app. All the links in the description box will be available. You can just download Bulbul app from iOS as well as from Android, whichever phone you are using. And also the most convenient way would be the shopping buddy. You can actually chat with a real person on WhatsApp. That's the most easiest way which I found it. I will also put the link of WhatsApp in the description box. You can take the screenshots of the product which I'm showing it to you here. Just share these products to them on WhatsApp. They will directly assist you with the size, query and everything. And also not to forget, Bulbul also comes with a 5-star policy which includes COD, free shipping, and also you get 5 days of return policy, guys, which is completely hassle free. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this haul video. Until then, bye guys.